Hey guys, this is Dina. Smartwatches have come a long way. Today I'm going to talk about this really sleek smartwatch which is from Fire-Boltt SpO2. Let's get started. On opening the box, you'll find this trendy smartwatch inside along with its charger. The watch has so many features you'll lose count. It has a smooth touchscreen and works for up to 8 days on a single charge. You can monitor your blood pressure, heart rate and SpO2 to make sure you're staying fit and healthy. It also tracks your sleep and exercise. In addition to this, the watch connects to your phone's Bluetooth so you can listen to music, check your notifications and alarms and never miss anything important. The steel body is super durable, and when combined with multi-sports mode, you can be rest assured that this stylish watch will keep up with all your sportiness. From checking the time and weather to staying on top of your health and social life, this smartwatch has got you covered. It also comes in many different colors, so you can pick the one that you like the most. Investing in a smartwatch is a really good decision. I've had this one for about a month and I'm really impressed.